Today we are in Crescent Industries clean room molding facility, which operates under an ISO 7 and ISO 8 certification. Here we manufacture Class 1, 2, and 3 components and medical devices for medical, pharmaceutical, and dental markets. Today we are manufacturing a disposable centrifuge bowl that requires multiple secondary operations, including ultrasonic welding, tube cutting, adhesive bonding, testing, assembly, and final packaging. Today we will be showcasing the adhesive bonding step of this process. At Crescent, we utilize CNC dispensing units that enable us to accurately disperse a controlled amount of adhesive on the part in a consistent and repeatable manner. This is just one of the many services we offer our customers to support their manufacturing requirements. To learn more about Crescent Industries' capabilities and how we can support your injection molding, kitting, and value-add requirements, please visit us at crescentind.com.